BL2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe!
Magandang araw Pilipinas. Sa umpisa pa nga lang ng araw ng Miss Cosmo 2025 ay mainit na agad ang labanan ng mga kandidata. At ngayong araw na ito, para sa ating video, ibibigay po natin sa inyo ang Miss Cosmo 2025 Pre-Arrival Hot Picks Top 20 Candidates. Ito ay nagmula sa pageant page na at PSL Pageant Media. At ngayon, kilalanin natin ang kanilang top 20 hot picks. Number 20, Laos. Number 19, Miss Cosmo USA. 18, Tanzania. Number 17, Miss Netherlands. And top 16 is Miss Cosmo Spain. At ngayon naman, alamin natin ang top 15. Number 15 spot is Miss India. Number 14, Jamaica. 13 is Miss Mexico. Number 12, Dominican Republic. And number 11 spot is Miss Cosmo Myanmar. And now at this moment, alamin naman natin ang top 10 prediction. At number 10, Miss Cosmo Thailand. Number 9, Miss Cosmo Greece. Number 8, Miss Cosmo Cuba. Number 7, Miss Indonesia. Number 6 spot is Miss Panama. Now let's move on to our next highest ranking, which is the top 5 prediction. At number 5, Miss Vietnam. Number 4, Miss Brazil. Number 3, Miss Peru. Number 2, Miss Colombia. And number 1 is Miss Philippines. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, top 20 predictions by Pageant Media. Just comment down below your favorite Miss Cosmo candidate and don't forget to like and subscribe.